Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and talk about ventricular tachycardia. The best way to look at this rhythm is to see it. I mean, just look at this. This is insane. Ventricular tachycardia is commonly pulseless, but if you have a pulse, that's kind of important. So you're going to want to check a pulse on this patient. Patients who are unconscious and pulseless often get mistaken for asystole. In the movies and stuff like that, they shock asystole, which is stupid. This right here is a ventricular tachycardia. Now, ventricular tachycardia can look a lot different based on what you're looking at, okay? So you see how it keeps going up and down. It's kind of like a wave. It just sends waves and waves and waves right here. These are all just different viewpoints of the heart, okay? It can be mistaken for torsatus de pointes, but in this one you want to see, and you see how they're kind of the same length. They kind of follow the same length. That's a key pointer for you. So you're going to see VTAC. It's going to go up and down like a wave. This one's a bit better than the others, but all in all, you're going to check for a pulse. If they don't have a pulse, you're going to defibrillate them, which just means shock them like crazy. If they do have a pulse, you're going to do a cardioversion, which could be medical cardioversion, which is like medicine-wise, or you're going to look at shocking the patient cardioversion, which is going to be probably further in the semester, but what we're going to be looking at on a shockable rhythm and cardioversion, you're going to charge to a certain amount of joules, and then you're going to shock on, I believe it's either repolarization or depolarization. I'm not entirely sure of that. I still have to go over that part. But just remember, VTAC with a pulse is going to be cardioverted. VTAC without a pulse is going to be shocked or defibrillated. That's really, really important to know. It's just insane rhythm. It's very easy to spot. The second you see it, it's so up in front of you. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.